Hi friends, for all mathematics concepts, please subscribe and click bell icon here. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. Murali Maths class. Okay, so today we'll learn trigonometry. Trigonometry exercise 6.2, problem number 4. Okay, so problem number 4, what they gave, the statue. The statue 1.6 meters tall stands 1.6 meters tall stands on the top of the top of the pedestal from a point pedestal from a point on the ground the angle of elevation of the top of statue is 60 degrees, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 40 degrees. Then find the height of the pedestal, and here it is given tan 40 equals to 0.8391, and also root 3 is given as 1.732. So this is the problem they are given. Now we will see how to solve this. Solution. Okay, yes. So for this, first we have to draw the triangle. Not triangle, just a pedestal statue, this one. Okay, so first we draw the ground. Okay, then pedestal, above this one statue is there. This is pedestal statue. Okay, a statue height is given, that is 1.6 meters. Pedestal height is not given. Now what is saying, a statue 1.6 meters, so one statue 1.6 meters stands on the top of the pedestal. This is pedestal, on this, above this statue is there. Okay, top of the pedestal from a point on the ground, one ground is there. Let us take one point. from this point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of statue. Angle of elevation of top of statue, this one. From this point, top of statue, like this. This is angle of elevation. How much they give? That is given as 60 degrees. Okay. And from the same point, that means this point, from the same point, the angle of elevation of top of pedestal. From this same point, angle of elevation of top of pedestal. This is top of pedestal. This angle is given as 40 degrees. Find the height of the pedestal. This height we have to find. Pedestal height. Okay. So for that, what we have to do? Do like this. First, you apply tan 60. Give the name for this: A, B, C, D. So here BC is height of pedestal. Height of pedestal. Okay. So we want to find BC answer. For that, first you have to take one triangle. Triangle A B D. ABD triangle. ABD triangle, if you take, we can apply tan 60. Tan 60 degrees equals to, that is opposite side to 60 degrees, adjacent side to 60 degrees equals to, opposite side to 60 degrees is what? 60 degrees. This is opposite side, DB. Adjacent AB. In DB, DC is 1.6, but CB we don't know. So let us take this as Y. So now DB is written as DC plus CB divided by AB. So AB we don't know. No, let us take X here. X. Okay. DC 1.6 plus CB Y divided by X. Then tan 60 right here, that is root 3. Do cross multiplication. You will get root 3x is equals to 1.6 plus y. Now apply tan 40. For applying tan 40, we have to take one triangle ABC. Tan 40 equals to opposite side. Opposite side means CB. Adjacent side means AB. Okay. CB is Y. AB is X. Tan 40 they gave in the problem. Tan 40, observe this, 0.8391. 0.8391. Then do cross multiplication. You will get Y answer as 0.8391x. This is Y answer. Y answer only we have to find out. Okay. Y answer. Okay. Now what we will do? This Y answer substitute here. Y answer substitute here. What we will get, we will see. That is root 3x equals to 1.6 plus 0.8391x. Then root 3 is 1.732. 1.732x minus 0.8391x equals to 1.6. So here 0.8391x I am taking on left hand side becomes minus. So this both we have to subtract now. 1.732x minus 0.8391x. If you do subtraction, you will get this one. 0.8929x equal to 1.6. Next, what we have to do, we have to find x answer now. X is equal to 1.6 divided by 0.8929. This is x answer. Now this x answer substitute here. This x answer substitute here, you will get a height of pedestal, y answer. Okay, so y equals to 0.8391 into 1.6 divided by 0.8929 equals to, right, divided by 1, multiply numerators, you will get 1.34256 divided by, multiply denominators, 1 into 0.8929, same answer, 0.8929. So if you simplify this, the answer will be 1.5. 1.5, the unit is meters. Okay, so finally we can write, therefore height of pedestal equals to BC, that is equals to 1.5 meters. That's it. Okay, so observe this carefully. We have to draw the diagram and apply tan 60. You will get this one, root 3x equals to 1.6 plus y. Then tan 40 you apply, you will get y answer. This y answer substitute here, get x answer, x answer again substitute here. Finally you will get y answer. That's it. Okay, thank you.